The cord assembly is a 3-wire 18-gauge cord. It has the wire connectors already crimped in place and includes the strain relief. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the motor housing. Now I'll remove the vacuum hose attachment fitting. First I'll remove the collar, and then the 4 screws that secure it to the boom arm. There's a cord clamp on one side of the housing, and I'll go ahead and remove that. Back in the motor housing, I'll remove the variable speed control, and I'll remove the second cord clamp. Now I'll begin removing the cord connections. I'll start with the ground wire. Next, the white brush wire. And the black wire where it connects to the switch. And now I'll pull the cord out of the boom arm. Now I can install the new cord. I'll thread it through the boom arm. And I'll reconnect the wires. The black wire to the switch, the white wire to the brush holder, at this point I'll place the motor back into the housing. I want to make sure I route the wires through where they won't get pinched. And I'll reconnect the ground wire. Next, I'll reinstall the cord clamps. I want to leave about a 1/2 inch of the outer cord insulation sticking out past the cord clamp. Now I'll resecure the cord to the dust collection fitting. I'll make sure the strain relief is in place and then secure the cord clamp. And I'll reinstall the other half of the dust collection fitting. Now I'll slide the speed control back into the housing. And I tuck the wires between the speed control and the black plastic separator. Now I can reinstall the motor housing. And that's how easy it is to replace the cord assembly on your drywall sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.